Would you rather have a movie theater or would you rather have a living room, meaning extra entertaining space? Movie theater or living room? That's the question that I want to get to and help you help decide in this video. So first off, I want to thank you, people of YouTube, for watching this. And also thanks to Allison and David and Human and Randy and Rod and Steve and whoever else I've sent this the plans to. I may send you this video so you could see more of my thought process on what I'm thinking regarding movie theater versus living room. So let's go back to the floor plan. This is the space that I'm considering. Either movie theater, which is it's about a 14, 15 seat movie theater, versus a living room, which is a second living space to the great room, which you'll see in a second. So let's walk into the property. First off, let's go. Oh, hold on a second. Before we walk, this is wrong. So this should be on this wall too. So let's fix that. Okay, done. All right, now we could walk into the house. And oh, also, this is wrong. This door, or this is going to change. It's not wrong, but this is going to be a hidden door. I'll hide it in either slats or a stacked brick pattern or a mondrian or wood paneling. And no, I don't want to cancel. All right. So let's get into, so yeah, back to this view. So this door is going to be gone. So you won't see that. Yeah. This will be a wall. The movie theater, the screening room. No, that's the bedroom. There we go. There we go. The movie theater screening room will be hidden behind this wall. Right. But let's walk into it. And it is a 15 seat, roughly, movie theater. This screen is, more than 10 feet wide. So I think on the diagonal, it's like it's big is basically what it is. This is what this looks like. And then from the rest of the house over here, you got your entertaining space here. Let's whip around here. The movie theater would be behind this area here. And why does my door look so small? This is a 10-foot door there, Ernie. Wait, no, that's not 10 feet. To give you reference, the ceiling is 13 feet high in this area. So the entire great room area, the ceilings are 13 feet high. That should be a 10-foot door. It's 8 feet. Let me change this really quickly to what it should be, which is 120. And there we go. That's better. And these bricks represent the ICF blocks. It won't look like that clearly in the final design. But this is the area that will be the movie theater versus now let's walk in here. This one is proper over here. All right, let's walk in and you're going to notice a pretty big difference. This is what you see as soon as you walk in. So in terms of just sheer entertaining, this makes it feel more open. And then the screen, it's the same size screen, but that screen is now on this wall. And sort of the benefit of that, and remember, it's like more than 10 feet wide. I think it's almost 11 feet wide, this screen. The benefit of this particular setup, we have a pocket door here, and we have another pocket door here. So it has that nice open feel. Let's try to get a similar angle. I'll also bump up the door to 10 feet. If you're this far, hopefully you're able to still hear me because I am talking to my Bose headset since I don't have one of those fancy YouTuber mics. And this is the first video. Okay, so here we go. Let's walk this back. The other benefit of having it here, so it just won't be a dedicated movie theater, but the upside of this is when you walk through the whole project, see how you could see the TV from even the pool area, right? So like if you're having a pool party and you just want to have visuals or the game on in the back or Dance with the Stars or The Bachelorette or I don't know, Bluey, you can watch it all from pool or pretty much anywhere in this area if this is the TV and not a dedicated movie theater. So that's the question. That is what I have for now. I may make a series on showing plans for ICF because there's a lot of information from ICF Guru and ICF specialists and as builders and code with Cody about ICF building, but no one ever talks about plans. All of these walls are ICF. So if you're interested in me talking more about ICF plans, just comment ICF below and I'll maybe make a series on what my whole thought process is on designing for ICF. But that's it. Thank you for being here this long. If you made it this long, actually, I will ask for a like. I did not ask at the beginning if you noticed, but I will ask now. If you made it this far, it'd be great if you liked the video, and it'd be even better if you subscribed and commented. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.